is for apple, red and round. What a crunchy sound. The A is for ant, marching all day, carrying crumbs along the way. A, let's sing and play. Jump and shout the A word way. So fun to say. We love the letter A. A is for alligator, strumming a tune, playing accordion under the moon. An E is for axe, chop chop chop, cutting the wood at the treehouse shop. A, let's sing and play. Jump and shout the A word way. So fun to say. We love the letter A. Yay! A is for astronaut, flying so high, zooming in an airplane across the sky. A, from dawn till night, that makes learning feel just right.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.